Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix whom something seems to have gone wrong problem in ChatGPT application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Reset your router and again connect it. Avoid weak network zone. Step 2. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search ChatGPT app. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT whom something seems to have gone wrong error in ChatGPT application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.